What's going on, YouTube? I'm talking very low right now because y'all kind of hear that echo. Y'all hear it? Yeah, that's going to change very soon. Got a new mic on the way. And guess what? The sneaker room, the man cave, whatever you want to call it, is being moved to a different room in my house. It's going to be very dope. I'm bringing it along with me. And tomorrow I'm going to cop some sneaker shelves for my new sneaker room. There's something new I want to do for like a little backdrop or another look for my YouTube channel. So it's going to be very dope as well. But tomorrow we got the Diffused blue Air Jordan 6s releasing, or the Jimmy Butler 6s. I don't know. I think that they changed name because he left Minnesota. I don't know, don't quote me. You got the Clots and the bread colorway, and then that the clay brick colorway, which I want to go after a pair of those the Clots with the brick colorway, that clay kind of feel. The breads are kind of dope, but kind of look just like my bread 13s, wherever they are, right here. They kind of just look like these, but low top version. You feel me? So it's kind of like, do I need those? Not really, but that Clot, the clay colorway, those are dope, man. So we're getting these in the low top Clot version and the clay colorway. So y'all let me know what y'all going after tomorrow. And I think it's a couple of other releases. Let me check. Let me check right quick. Let me check for y'all. Gotta check that sneakers app for all the releases, man. Even though you're gonna get L's on this app for all the limited stuff, you gotta check for the releases. So yeah, you got the Diffused blues right here. Check them out, releasing them all. Got the Air Jordan 8 Tinker Air Raids. I dropped an early review for you guys. So y'all make sure I go check that one out. And you have this Clot. And I'm guessing the other bread colorway is more like exclusive because it's not even on the sneakers app. And these are retailing for $200. It's kind of steep, but it's a dope colorway to me. I feel like it's gonna be sleepers, so hopefully I can get these for under retail. Hopefully, man. So y'all go ahead and sleep on this sneaker for your boy DeVintage. And you have these women Air Jordan 1s. What's these? The Maya or something? I forget what it is. No, these are the Court Lux. I'm thinking about another pair of sneakers. And then you got the women's Air Jordan 10 Court Lux as well. So y'all let me know in the comment section below, what are y'all copping. It's a quick video, just wanted to show my face, kind of like this vlogmas thing, a video every day for the month of December. We're doing good, posting every day, and I want to give y'all that content. I want to talk to y'all, I want to interact with my subscribers. That's what YouTube is all about, interacting and getting feedback from your viewers, man. So let me know what y'all copping, let me know what y'all not feeling, and yeah, tomorrow I'll be going to IKEA to cop some things for my new sneaker room. So all this is gonna be changed, man. All this is gonna be different. It's gonna be all the way upstairs. God damn, I'm asking. It's gonna be all the way upstairs on the 4th floor of my crib, and all that's gonna change. TV and the computer and all that. I gotta take that down and be mad about that, but it's okay. That's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. All this is gonna be gone. New little view, somehow like 3 different looks or backdrops for the YouTube channel, and 3 different spots in my man cave. So yeah, man. I hope y'all excited. Hope y'all ready for tomorrow's releases. And I hope y'all ready for this 2019 gonna be crazy. I'm already knowing, I already see the bright future of 2019. It's gonna be very dope. I'm gonna learn a lot of new things in 2019. And yeah, hope y'all ready for this journey. Y'all let me know what y'all copping tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss that video tomorrow. It's gonna be a banger. Take advantage of the giveaway, the Air Jordan 1. Air Jordan 1. Rookie of the years. Forgot that fast. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video, man. Peace.